Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Shannie and today I'm going to talk about how you can create a financial plan. Now, just a little disclaimer, bear with me guys if you can hear any background noise. I still have my fan on today. It is extremely hot for some reason and I really don't want to faint trying to record this video, so I do apologize. I'll try my best to talk a little louder just in case there is some form of background noise, but if there is, that's why. Now, the first thing you need to do is evaluate your current situation. You won't know what needs to be improved or corrected if you don't know where your starting point is. So ask yourself the questions. What have you achieved thus far? How much are you making? Do you have any assets? Next, you want to figure out what your end goal is. What are your short-term and long-term goals? What would you like to achieve in the end? How would you like to even feel in the end? Just like the first step, if you don't know where you're starting from or where you're trying to go, then you'll just be running around like a headless chicken and it wouldn't make any sense. Next, you want to create a budget. You need to calculate your inflow and your outflow. Do you have a surplus? Do you have a deficit? Are you just breaking even? You want to ensure that you factor in savings and an emergency fund and any other thing that may be very important that you don't want to miss out. Now, if you have a budget already, you're off to a great start, but maybe you need to refine it. Are you spending too much money? How can you cut back? Where can you cut back from? Are you spending money on subscriptions that you don't even use anymore? Make sure that you don't have extra money coming out of your bank account and that doesn't need to be coming out. Now, I've recently posted a video on how to create a budget. I'm going to leave the link in the description for anyone that's interested. Next, think of ways in which you can increase your income. You may have gifts and talents that may be able to earn you money through a side business. Now, please do not feel pressured into anything. It is not a must that you go ahead and start a business. Maybe making more money for you would be working towards a raise or a promotion, or just doing overtime at work where you take up extra shifts. For some, that may mean getting a second job where you're just a part-time employee there. The whole point is to just remain focused and start brainstorming ways in which you can increase your income so that you'd be able to live a bit more comfortably and achieve your goals. And last but definitely not least, you want to make sure that you find ways to invest in your future. Now, this can come in many different ways, such as investing in property. You may want to invest in income property where you become a landlord and you have some extra cash coming in from that. Or you may not even care about that extra income too much, but you want to at least purchase a home where you're not paying rent for the rest of your life. Kind of tying into the last point, you can start a business if that's something you're interested in that would bring you more money, like I said. However, it would be you investing in the future. It can be a family business. That way, if you have kids, you'd be able to pass it on to them and then you would have some form of a family legacy going on. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions or any video suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. If you're new and this is your first time seeing my face, please feel free to subscribe and make sure you hit that bell button so that you're notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, like I said, I hope you guys got something from this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!